The Google Pixel 11 Pro XL is gearing up to make a major splash in the premium smartphone market, promising cutting-edge technology, refined design, and user-focused features. Google's latest flagship aims to redefine what a high-end device should deliver. With improvements in performance, photography, AI capabilities, and connectivity, the Pixel 11 Pro XL looks poised to impress. Let's dive deep into everything this highly anticipated device could bring to the table. Design and display. Familiar yet refined, the Pixel 11 Pro XL continues Google's signature design language, including the iconic horizontal camera bar, but introduces subtle refinements that elevate its premium feel. Sleeker edges, polished surfaces, and a more balanced frame make the device feel both elegant and robust in hand. Its OLED display is designed for stunning visuals, with high brightness levels ensuring perfect visibility even in direct sunlight. With HDR support and a refresh rate exceeding 120 Hz, users can enjoy smooth scrolling, immersive gaming, and ultra-fluid video playback. Whether you're streaming, gaming, or just browsing, the Pixel 11 Pro XL's display aims to deliver a superior viewing experience, balancing beauty and functionality seamlessly. Performance. The power of Tensor G6 under the hood. The Pixel 11 Pro XL houses a Tensor G6 chip built on an advanced 2nm process. This next-gen processor promises faster speeds, enhanced energy efficiency, and improved thermal management. Overheating and battery drain are less of a concern, ensuring consistent performance for everyday tasks, gaming, and professional workflows. Rumors also suggest the integration of MediaTek's M90 modem, which could improve signal stability, provide faster connectivity, and even support satellite communication for emergency situations or remote areas. For users who depend on reliability and speed, this could be a game-changer. Camera system. Pushing mobile photography further, Google continues to innovate with computational photography, and the Pixel 11 Pro XL could be the biggest leap yet. Rumors indicate a telephoto lens capable of up to 100x zoom, allowing distant subjects to be captured with remarkable clarity. This is ideal for photography enthusiasts and casual users alike. Video features are also expected to see significant upgrades, including cinematic blur, video relighting, and night sight video. These tools aim to deliver professional-grade results in a variety of lighting conditions, empowering creators to capture cinematic quality content directly from their smartphones. AI integration. Smarter everyday features. Artificial intelligence remains at the heart of the Pixel experience. The Pixel 11 Pro XL may introduce voice-based photo editing, enabling hands-free adjustments for convenience and accessibility. Another rumored feature is sketch-to-image generation, turning creative ideas into visual content instantly. AI tools could also extend into health monitoring, offering features like heart rate tracking, stress analysis, and personalized insights. By embedding AI into practical applications, Google is positioning the Pixel 11 Pro XL as a smart companion for both productivity and personal well-being. Battery and charging. Built for modern life, battery performance is critical, and Google appears to be focusing on convenience and speed. The Pixel 11 Pro XL may feature magnetic charging technology, allowing faster and more efficient power delivery. Users could spend less time tethered to a charger and more time using their devices. Unlike the rumored Pixel Fold, which may offer a removable battery, the Pixel 11 Pro 40 emphasizes a seamless, integrated charging experience, reflecting Google's attention to everyday usability. Security and connectivity. Advanced and reliable security gets a boost with under-display IR face recognition, providing a fast, reliable, and secure way to unlock the device. This complements existing biometric options. While enhancing privacy and convenience, connectivity is another standout. With satellite communication support via the MediaTek M90 modem, the Pixel 11 Pro XL could remain connected even in remote locations. making it ideal for travelers, adventurers, or anyone who values dependable communication in critical situations. Market. Positioning. Competing with the best in a crowded smartphone market dominated by brands like OnePlus, Samsung, and Honor, the Pixel 11 Pro XL aims to differentiate itself with a balance of cutting-edge technology and user-focused practicality. By combining AI, high-end photography, and refined design, Google is targeting both loyal Pixel fans and newcomers looking for a premium, future-proof smartphone. Looking ahead, setting a new benchmark, the Pixel 11 Pro XL represents a bold vision for the future of smartphones. With enhanced cameras, smarter AI features, improved connectivity, and a polished design, Google is aiming to set new standards for premium devices in 2026 and beyond. Whether it's capturing stunning photos, staying connected in challenging environments, or enjoying smoother performance across the board, the Pixel 11 Pro XL is designed to meet the needs of modern users. By combining innovation, convenience, and elegance, this flagship could redefine what users expect from a premium smartphone, making it one of the most exciting releases of the year.